Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Joyrides Project Cars Edition. We did the Corolla video, but now it's time to take a look at what we're going to do to it because nothing stays stock for long. So what we have here are factory Blackout badges. These are $110. Go down to your dealer and they will order them for you. These ones for the Corolla are a glossy finish. They're not matte, so keep that in mind when you think about putting Blackout badges on your car. When you buy the car, you can have it. It's an optional extra. I decided that this would be easy enough for us to do. It's just some adhesive on the back. So what we're gonna do is we're going to clean the back of the car off just around the badges, because in the Pacific Northwest it's just been pouring rain and snowing and really cold, so it doesn't really make sense to wash the entire car right now. But we're gonna have some microfibers to dry it, some quick detailer from Meguiar's to clean off the badge, and then we're just gonna dry it off again. We do have some handy dandy little brushes so you can get in all the nooks and crannies. So really you just need some stuff to make sure your badges are clean, you don't have any contaminants on there, and then your Blackout badges. So let's get into it. We have 3 badges. We have the Toyota emblem, we have the Corolla emblem, and we have the XSE badge. All of these are gonna get the Blackout badge. They have some grime on them and they're wet from the absolutely garbage weather we've been having lately. So we're gonna clean those off, and then we will get to putting the badges on. So we're gonna start with the XSE badge here. I'm actually gonna grab a microfiber to dry everything off with first. Because really it's just gonna, the adhesive is just gonna be inside these red areas. But you wanna make sure you don't have a bunch of crap on your badge. And we're gonna do a little quick detailer and just kinda polish, clean everything, try and get any cracks. Probably will eventually want to wash the whole car, because having just a little spot that's clean is gonna bother me. So we got the quick detailer on a brush. Just gonna get in there and just kind of agitate some of the dirt in and around that area. Wipe it down again so that we've got pristine badges that we're covering. We don't want any mold or dirt or anything like that to be underneath our badge. And we'll just take a dry cloth to it, and then we're gonna open up our XSE badge, and on the back we have this red tab, so we'll just peel that off like so. All right, so that's all clear. And now we'll just line it up with the emblem. Just kind of stick that on there. Press it in. And there we go. Blackout badge. Okay, so we finished the XSE badge, and now we're gonna move on to the main Toyota emblem right above the backup camera. So again, just drying everything off first because it's pissing rain and snowing, because that's great.
I like that we put the leaky sports car outside for this. That's my favorite part.
The favorite part is the leaky sports car.
Hopefully we get to bail it out with solo cups.
Yeah, that was great.
That was awesome.
Where did I put the quick detailer? Nailed it. Quick detailer once again.
Hit us up, McGuire's.
Spray it down, and then we're just gonna quickly wipe down that badge just to get everything off of there. Brush again. There's a little bit of quick detailer on there. And just get in all of the crevasses. But I'm not gonna use my left hand because I'm right-handed. That's just, that is adequately agitated. Wipe everything down again. Grab our dry towel. That is looking choice. So bust open Toyota badge, and this has a couple of, says 2 different pieces of the red adhesive backing, so we'll just peel that off. That's right there. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay. Once again, just kind of line that up there. Just press on the center and all the corners.
Oh, that looks good.
Pretty happy with that. This is kind of the big reason why I wanted the blackout badges. I like the contrast between the blue and the black, but having the completely blacked out badge here in the back was choice. I think that looks really nice. So Toyota badge, XSE badge, those are done. Now we're gonna do the Corolla badge, and this has a little bit more that we need to be sure that we're cleaning just because there's a lot more edges on it. So we're gonna just dry everything off. Clean that.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna have to do a detail on the car video after this because it is gross.
It's dirty. It's been a wet and rainy month. I think we had like 30 days of rain. Just grab our brush again. Drop our quick detailer. Don't worry about it. And then just kind of getting in there and inside the R. Little teeny tiny cutouts. You just gotta make sure that everything is clean. Now just dry that whole thing off. These actually are pretty firmly on there, so I'm not even worried about having to be super gentle. Grab our Corolla badge. Has 1 piece of red backing. Oh yeah.
Satisfying.
Okay, don't drop it. So I'm gonna start with C. Just kind of push my way down to the A. And there we go. All of them are installed. And then we're gonna put a little bit of protectant on them so that they have just a little something to keep them from getting super gnarly and fading and dirty. So we'll put some protectant, some 303 protectant on there. So we'll grab a new, well, relatively new towel. And then the 303, that's 303 protectant. It's a great UV protector. So this will help keep your new badges nice and crisp while they're on the back of the car. And then just kind of buff it out. All right. And that'll do it. Badge is done. They're all blacked out. Our install of the blackout badges on my 2019 Toyota Corolla. It's the same if you have the 2020. Yeah, pretty simple job. Just, it's all in the prep work. Make sure everything's clean, make sure everything's dry. so that you get a firm seal and nothing's gonna fall off. We put a protectant on it so that it's protected from UV, so they don't fade. And I'm pretty happy with the results. Obviously, I need to clean the rest of the car because it's gross, but that'll happen. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. We've got more videos on the way. We're gonna be doing some cool videos with the Corolla here soon, some beauty shots. We got a truck video coming and a project car announcement that will be coming soon. If you follow us at Joyride Media on Twitter and Instagram, you already know what the project car is, so be sure to do that so you're in the know. But other than that, thanks for watching. Go for a joyride.